Hello, my name is Lileon Martinez Cruz, and I'm here to introduce you to my project. This short documentary is about how I made an instrumental out of just the sounds of nature. So in this part I found a stick, and what I did is I poked gravel and I made this into a hi-hat pattern. My next percussion will be a kick drum, and I'm going to sample me kicking the side of a sewage drain. Here's another sound of a kick drum. A lot of this audio was captured from just the iPhone footage that I took, and it surprised me. And also, I just didn't want to spend much money, but it was beautiful. As you can see, the struggle to find something robust enough to create the sound of a kick drum was pretty funny, I'm not gonna lie. This next one is my favorite. I found two pieces of, I'm guessing, plywood, and decided to bang them together to make the sound of a wooden snare sound. Initially, I was going to bang two logs together, but I felt the shape of these were pretty efficient. Many people talk about how rain is a very soothing sound. And so what I decided to do was, because of the sound of rain, I wanted to create ambience around the instrumental. Now, I know that I'm not out physically in nature, but this is at my house, and I found these really neat sounds of water splashing. And water is a repeating factor here. I think the sound of water and how it flows is really beautiful.
This rock going over there.
This time this water is actually in the park and in nature.
Ready?
It made a cool sound. It was also quite liberating to physically touch things such as rocks, pebbles, dead leaves. I found it to be something that was challenging in a way because I feared bugs and I was scared that some big grasshopper would come out. But no, it never happened, and it was fun. I'm no Andy Goldsworthy, but I quote, felt like I was one with nature.
So simple as this, right? A whistle.
So here I am whistling, and this is going to play a major role in the instrumental itself. It was pretty awe-inspiring to see that I could create a harmony and a melody out of just a single whistle. I also want to thank my professor for giving me this idea. It was a blast doing this.